so warm.
I wish we knew the way inside.
Welcome to our school. Here are your new uniforms.
Hooray! Welcome to the class.
Look at them. They can't even hold the pencil. It's okay. You are doing great. Don't worry. Practice makes perfect.
And the recipients of the distinguished golden trophies are these two remarkable cubs. We applaud your synchronization.
Father, Mother, we've come for you.
But look at you in these fine clothes. Is this real?
It is. We have a home for you in the city.
Goodbye. Goodbye.